If you want to connect your Motorola Edge 60 Pro to a computer, to PC, and transfer data, then you will need to use the USB cable. So use the cable that allows you to connect the phone to your computer depending on the ports that you have on your computer. So let's just plug it in. There we go. And once you connect, you might see this select USB mode option, which you can set to file transfer over here. Enter the screen lock password to confirm, and there we go. If for some reason it didn't pop up or anything, you can also go to notifications, and then you should be able to find a notification somewhere from Android system about the, for example, USB file transfer or something similar. So you can tap on the notification in order to open USB preferences. And over here, you want to make sure that file transfer is actually selected. And after that, you should be able to find your phone on your computer. So for example, on my Windows PC, after opening the PC, over here I have my Motorola Edge 60 Pro in devices and drives, and then I have access to the internal storage where I can find all folders and files that I have on my phone. So if I go theoretically to DCAM, I should be able to find photos that I made with my camera and so on and so forth. We can easily transfer now files from these folders or into these folders. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.